Medyo kakaiba itong gagawin natin because we're going to enter into an enclosure ng isang baboy damo. Kasi usually yung mga baboy damo na na-encounter natin in the past, talagang manunugod no matter how tame they are. So si Anakin has been here for how long?
5 years.
And this one, very aggressive yung species nito eh. Dapat, very territorial and all that. And yet, look at this guy, oh. Oh, Papa, belly rub pa. Belly rub nga tayo. Belly rub, belly rub. Belly rub. Oh, oh, belly rub. Belly rub. Ba, talagang pumipikit-pikit pa siya, oh. Pumipikit-pikit pa yung mata niya. Yan ang gusto mo, belly rub.